Are you getting something went wrong in the login process for Minecraft launcher? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you need to reset Microsoft Store to repair Minecraft launcher. For this, you need to press simply Window and R from your keyboard, and herein you need to type WS reset and simply click on OK. This Microsoft Store window will open up and it will automatically reset it. So Microsoft Store is now reset and now I can try it out once again. Second option is to reset Microsoft Launcher app. So for this I need to press Window and I from my keyboard. This screen will open up. I need to click on apps. Here in all list of apps are showing. Now search Minecraft here. So this is a Minecraft launcher. Just click on this advanced option is there. Just click on this advanced options. Now scroll down. There is an option of reset. Just click on this reset option and your Minecraft launcher app will get reset. Next option is to click allow another app for Microsoft launcher. So for this you need to click on Windows search and type in allow. So you will get an option of allow an app through Windows firewall. Just click on this option. You need to find Microsoft launcher. Click on first change settings. Now scroll down and find Microsoft launcher. So there is an option of this. First you can see at the top Minecraft launcher is showing. You need to click private and public both and just click on OK. So I have already selected private and public and click on OK. That's it. Next option is to run the Windows Store app troubleshooter. For this you need to press Windows key and I key and this screen will open up, and now herein you can see an option of this security option, this update and security. Just click on this. The left hand side you can see there's an option of troubleshoot. You can see this troubleshoot. Just click on this. Click on additional troubleshooter. Now scroll down at the bottom and there's an option of Windows Store apps. Just click on run troubleshooter. This at the bottom you can see run the troubleshooter. Just click on this and this Windows apps will get troubleshooted and it will automatically find all the problems and resolve them. You can see it is detecting all the problem on Windows Store app and it is already resolving them. So make sure to follow all the on-screen instructions as given in this Windows. The next option is to update the Minecraft launcher. For this again press Windows key and type Microsoft Store. Just click this at the bottom. You can see library option. Just click on this. You can see there's an option at the top, get updates. Just click on this and update your Microsoft Store to the latest version. If the problem still persists, you can uninstall and reinstall Minecraft launcher and see whether the issue is with any particular launcher. Make sure to also troubleshoot your internet connection. Try to see whether the issue with Wi-Fi router or something else. You try to disconnect and again connect your internet and see whether the issue is with internet connection. Also try out other launcher for Minecraft like T launcher. I am using another launcher, so it is also a very good launcher. You can try out another Minecraft launchers and see whether the issue with is any particular Minecraft launcher. So there are so many launchers available. You can try them out. And make sure to restart your PC after following this step, and if you still face any problem you can comment below and I will make sure to reply you. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.